Hey friends, come splash with me. Let's dive into the ABCs. Grab your shades, it's time for fun. Learning letters one by one.
A is for anchor deep in the sea. B is for beach, come play with me. C is for crab with claws that snap. D is for dolphin who loves to clap.
Hey, 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 yeah. Dive, dive, dive under the sun. Swim through letters, everyone. Splash, 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 sing and play. We're learning the alphabet the sunny way.
E is for eagle soaring so high.
F is for fish who waves goodbye.
G is for goggles we wear to see.
H is for hat that keeps us carefree. Dive, dive, dive under the sun. Swim through letters, everyone. Splash, 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 sing and play. We're learning the alphabet the sunny way.
Let's take a break and count to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Jump in with me.
Letters floating in the blue. I-C-I-J-K, how about you?
L is for lighthouse shining bright.
M is for mermaid twirling with delight.
N is for nest in a palm tree tall.
O is for octopus waving to all. Dive, dive, dive under the sun. Swim through letters, everyone. Splash, 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 sing and play. We're learning the alphabet the sun